Happy November, everybody. This is Linda Baker with the Lon Pennell Realtors and the Baker team, and we're here to talk about what's happening in the real estate market here in Silicon Valley. Well, even though I'm wearing short sleeves, it's still a beautiful day. Doesn't feel like fall, but the real estate market's definitely telling us that it's fall. What's happening here? We're seeing inventory go up, which is normal, but at the same time, we're seeing it go up significantly over last year, and it's even higher than what it was 2 years ago. The number of sales from month over month and year over year comparables are also down, which is that's the part that we've been kind of watching. But with prices still having gone up year over year, I think that at some point in time we knew we had to reach that plateau. So I think that that plateau is there. What we're also seeing, buyers are having great news because there's fewer multiple offers or competing against fewer people. That can be partially driven by the fact that we have also rising interest rates right now. So if you're buying your new house, it's going to probably be between 4.5% and 5% as your interest rate for a 30-year fixed mortgage. But the good news for the buyers as well is that we're seeing a smaller list price to sales price ratio. So people are not going that much over list price to be able to win the deal. I was just talking to someone earlier today. They only had 2 offers and they sold it for $10,000 over asking. So buyers, this is now the time. November is going to be a fabulous time for you to get into contract. So there's some great homes out there, though I wouldn't get too arrogant, I guess I'll use the word. If it's a great house, odds are you're going to be in competition. I even wrote an offer for a property in Portland. I was in competition there. So there you have it. What's going to be happening now is that we're seeing sellers starting to get ready for the new year. We are seeing, taking listings right now, getting homes prepped for January, February, March timeframes for next year. So it's a great time to be planning. So if you're thinking about selling your home in the spring, now's the time to start talking to us. Our crystal ball is not perfect, so we can't tell you exactly how we're going to strategize the pricing at this point in time, but we know how to position your property and we know how to present your property so that you can sell it for the highest possible price. For our buyers, you know that we're ready to fight for you guys and get the best opportunity, the best house for you, and make the best deal that we possibly can for you. So anyway, the good news is that at the end of the day, the economy is still strong. Housing is still doing well. The sky is not falling. We've seen a slowdown, which has to do, I think, in my opinion, of just a price absorption of the rates, the prices of and the increases that we've seen over the past few years. So I'm not looking for anything horrible to be happening in our marketplace because lending standards are still very high. What's going to happen next year? Well, we'll talk about that more in the next couple of months. I'll be missing out on my December market update because I'll be out of town, but we'll be giving you a year-end update for January, and we'll kind of recap the entire year and give you our prognostication for 2019. Have a great Thanksgiving, and we'll see you next time. Bye-bye.